Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. This is a super duper duper simple one. And you know, I don't know how many of you are familiar with tahini, but it is so great. I use, as an American married to an Israeli, I use tahini as a dip. I dip everything from crackers to delicious. Look at the dip. Look at this. Look at the presentation. So of course I have crackers. I have radishes. But I'm going to tell you how to make it, and it's so simple. Let's take a little tasteroo. Hold on. So good. You can mix it with chicken. You can mix it with steak, vegetable. Hold on. Wait. It's so good for you. These are roasted, toasted sesame seeds. Delish. Don't feel guilty about your snacks. Watch this. You're going to scoop out of this. Okay, look at this, how it's very liquidy. Okay, so we're going to scoop. I don't think make the whole thing. Should we? Whatever, let's make the whole thing. What we're going to do is we're going to mix it up a little bit, and you're going to add water. And this is a process. You're going to want to add water and mix it up. I have my little blender that I'm going to start to use here, but I want to mix it up a little bit by hand. A lot of lemon. You can't go wrong. So you're squeezing lemon like no other. So generally speaking, I would say for this quantity, this was a 16-ounce jar of tahini. 1 lemon, definitely. So we're going to squeeze this all and get as much juice as possible. If you had a lemon squeezer, that would be really good. But we don't need. Okay. And as you see, I don't know if you can tell, I've got a little cilantro at the bottom. We'll do that at the very end. Okay, so we're going to take garlic. So I'm going to put 1, 2, let's go with 3 garlic cloves. Okay, and then we're going to continually add more water. This one first. Okay, we still have a lot more mixing to do, but I want you to see the consistency of it and how it really has come together. Need a little more salt, and we need a little bit more. I think I'm going to go lemon. You know, it's also, once you start making it and you understand the consistency of it, you'll be able to adjust it to your taste buds. You know, so I just know how my husband likes it and how I'm used to having it. So we're going to just mix this up a little bit more. We're going to toss in a little bit of, excuse me, cilantro. It's mine, so I'm going to eat right from the spoon. Oh my gosh. It's absolutely so delicious. So we will see you very soon, and we will see you maybe in the next episode, or maybe we'll see you in the showroom.